I'm out here on, what street is this? Moorhead Avenue in Durham, North Carolina. As you can see, we've got an abandoned railroad crossing here. In fact, I was not expecting to find this. I only haven't seen it because the next one I'm going to be checking out right over there. I have to spot that on the freeway right there as I was heading to a completely different abandoned railroad crossing. So here we got a pair of old WRS cantilevers. No idea what railroad would have installed these. Possibly the SAL, I don't know. I think they did have a line up here, so maybe these are former SAL signals. But first signal here, like I said, is WRS cantilever. This one's the most intact of the two, and really of the four right through here. It's got a Union Mail base, as expected. Then we got a pair of WRS 8-inch lights on the mast here. As you can see right here, it's WRS. These honestly look a lot like some old L&N cantilevers. In fact, they had noticed that Martin Industries brackets for the lights. So I know it's made, but I doubt the L&N ran over here. But the overhead lights are some more WRS 8-inch lights, as you can see. And the bell is a WRS mechanical bell. No idea what railroad owned these, no idea when they're banned. I have not seen a dot tag here. Over here is the other signal. As you can see, it's in much worse shape. This one actually only has one WRS 8-inch light remaining on the mast right there. Not sure if you can make out it says WRS on it. Don't really want to focus on the light. But that is a single WRS light right over there. It's actually missing the lens too. But yeah, as you can see, the overhead arm is just the overhead lights are just completely gone. Of course, here's a rear view of this signal and a rear view of the overhead lights. So yeah, and of course right over here is the tiny little relay case for the crossing, which looks like it's still locked up tight, surprisingly. But obviously it doesn't have any power. Like I said, I have no idea what line this was, no idea where it ran to or from. This way is looking north towards the next crossing up. That way is just kind of looking south somewhere. No idea if there are any other abandoned crossings around here on this particular line. I might see when I'm heading north, but I guess we'll just have to go find out. But yeah, amazingly enough, these signals have managed to survive the tracks being ripped out here for a long time, and just thought I'd show y'all them. Over and out.